Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to solve internal server error during Magento 2 installation and also solve the issue of CSS and JS loading problem after Magento 2 installation. Guys, I am using CentOS server and here is uploaded a Magento zip file. A Magento version is 2.3.5 and this is live server and here is store.codemax.com and now we will run Magento on this URL. And also I have created database codemax underscore mesh 235 and this is zip file. First of all, unzip this file and click OK. Now zip file extracted. Refresh this URL. Uh, Refreshing this page. Here is showing error message internal server error, and now we will fix this issue. Now we will go to Magento root folder and open the STXS file and here search options follow symlink this line and now comment this line because options follow symlink is not allowed in CentOS for security issues. If you want to use symlink, then use this line options plus symlinks if owner match and save this file. Now zoom this file for clear this text. You can see clearly for this text. I will comment this line and add this option plus symlinks if owner match. If you want to use symlink, then you can use this line. Okay. Now refresh this page. Now fix the issue of the internal server error and you can install the Magento. Again setup Magento and click on start readiness check. It is fine and next, and here you put the database credential. I have entered database credential. This field is optional. If you have a SSL certificate, then you can give the path. Otherwise, you can leave these fields and click next. Here you can see store address and this is a admin address. You can make easy and remove this and next, and is time zone currency and language settings and click next and create admin account. Admin now next, and this is a last step, install now and click button on install now. Now Magento installation has been completed and this is a store URL and this is a admin URL. Now click on this store URL and here you can see that CSS and JS is not loading, and also click on admin panel and also same problem, CSS and JS is not loading. Now fix this issue by edit STXS file in pub folder and go to pub folder and open this STXS file and also comment the options follow symlinks like as you have changed it in root STXS file. And I comment this line and add this options plus symlink if owner match. If you want to use symlinks in your server, then you can use this line and now save this STXS file and now refresh this page, admin page. Now CSS and JS loading issue has been solved and admin panel working fine, and also refresh this front page store URL and also CSS and JS working fine on front end, and both sides CSS and JS working fine, admin and front end URL. Now login in admin panel. Admin. Now successfully login in admin panel. Just click on allow button. Now fix the CSS and JS loading problem in Magento 2. If you are stuck in Magento 2 installation, then you can visit our website to codex.com, and I will give the link in video description. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for immediate notification, and please like and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.